Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix quality in Netflix and change the video quality. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open it. And after that, go to your profile. On your profile, click on My Netflix. And after that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on App Settings. And as you can see here, there is an option called Video Quality. And from it, you can choose between Standard and Higher. So if you want better quality, you have to choose Higher. And like that, the video quality will be better on Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in